Hello and welcome to Onono Nomad. Today I'm going to do a review of PacSafe, which is basically a smart eco mesh that you put over your bag so you can secure it to your bike. And so today I will go over how it works, how you put it on the bag, how you fit it on your bike, and so on. So let's get into the review of this PacSafe. It comes in a small little bag, and it's kind of light, maybe half a kilo or something like that. So, and it doesn't take much space if you're gonna pack it, but if you have it with you, I guess you would use it to secure your items. So we can open it up here and take a look at it. Whoops! Wow. Almost knocked me out there. Okay, so let's check this out. So this is just some stainless steel basically, and it's very easy to put on your bag, because when you lift it up like this, and it's a big opening to put your bag in. So let's try to put the bag in. So let's take the bag. Let's see. Let's move this a little bit. So let's see. So I'm gonna put this down here, and I'm gonna move my bag into okay. So now it's around the bag, so it's kind of easy. You just, this is the locking mechanism, so if you pull this, it will tighten. So it's easy. This is it can secure 120 liters, but this bag is only 90, so it makes it more easy to secure it. I would guess if you actually had a big bag, 120 liters, it might be a little bit more difficult to tighten up the cables here. Okay. So just click it on, and it's ready to go on to the bike, and you can use this cable to secure it, and you will lock it here. Okay, so I got the bag secured next to me, and it comes with a lock that is, well, it's so easy to for anybody to be open. So this is not safe at all. This lock is, if a thief comes, he can open this as quickly as you can with a key. So I would recommend changing the lock. So I'm using a Obus lock with 4 digits. Do not go for 3, always go for 4 or more. So now I'm gonna show you how to put the bag on the bike. Okay, so now I got the bag on the bike. So we're just gonna secure it, and just find a spot on your bike that's sturdy, strong and sturdy. Pull it around and lock it. So what you do, just pull it in here and into this lock, and voila, it's now secured to your bike. So if somebody want to take it, they cannot just run away with it, right? And if they want to take something inside the bag, they need to cut the hole, but it's basically impossible to get something out of these small holes. So, but of course you cannot drive like this. You need to secure it with straps. And voila, it's all secured, and you can drive off. So, but when you are using straps to tighten something on your bike, be very careful what you're gonna do with the rest of the straps that's hanging loose. Please secure your straps so it will not get stuck. Okay, so now it's secured on the bike, and I strapped it so it will not fall off. And I can give you a little tip when you're strapping it. That's it. Always pull backwards. Don't do it the other way where you pull it down. Pull it backwards, because it's much easier to tighten it, right? So now it's 100% secure, it will not fall off, and if a thief comes, you will be safe.
I would recommend this product for anyone that want to feel a little bit more relaxed when going into a shop. The one thing that's negative is how it scratches up the suitcase of the bike. So maybe put a towel or a sticker on it. In my next video I'm gonna do another review of some other things that I had with me on the trip. Thank you for watching. Please like and follow, and until next time, bye bye.